In this video, you will learn how to fix cannot add phone number on your Steam account. Restart Steam and try again. Fully exit Steam and reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart resolves temporary glitches. Check if the phone number is actually already linked. Make sure your phone number is not already linked to another Steam account. Check the number can be used only at one account at a time. Enter the full number on the country code. Include your country code when entering your phone number, e.g. +1 for the US or +44 for the UK. Disable VPNs or proxy connections. Steam may block phone numbers. Update if you're using a VPN. Turn it off and try again. Clear Steam web browser cache. In Steam, go to Settings, Web Browser, delete browser cache and cookies, then restart the app. Wait and try again. If Steam servers are busy or rate limited, it may temporarily block your number. Wait a few hours before retrying. Now you know how to easily fix Steam cannot add my phone number. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.